Hello, I am Akhil, founder of Mazout Electric. Electric vehicles have simplified powertrains as compared to ICs, with less moving parts, but they have more sophisticated electronics. A typical electric vehicle consists of discrete power units to manage the power from the battery to the motor. These discrete units are a battery management system, a motor control unit, a vehicle control unit, and a telematic unit. The problem with such discrete architectures is that it adds to complexity at the vehicle assembly line, compatibility challenges among all these devices, and that of external tampering. At Mazout, we have built an integrated powertrain electronics device, which will cater to the market of two-wheelers, three-wheelers, and microcars, which have vehicle power with up to 10 kilowatts of rated power. The solution is modular, scalable, and also tamper-proof. This indigenous solution particularly forms the brain of the entire electric vehicle, as in it manages the motor, battery, other vehicle electronics, and has all the smart features embedded inside it, making any electric vehicle a software-defined and a connected vehicle. How? We will see it through the SD app. SD app is a complementary application that comes along with X1 and is a critical part of the ecosystem. The sign-up process is super easy, where the users can sign up via Gmail or via email ID. So why is a sign-up required to use this app? This app not only has monitoring features, but control features too, as we'll see ahead. So it is crucial to ensure that only authorized users can access the application. The set of instructions will guide the user to allow for the necessary permissions, power up the device, and pair it with the mobile phone. The device is effectively making the vehicles equivalent to smartphone on wheels. Hence, it becomes critically important to take care of the security. For this, X1 has a built-in, robust authentication feature. Simply scan the QR code on the device, and in less than a second, authentication will be complete. Now the device is onboarded and can be viewed from the devices list, so no need to scan the device again next time. The user profile can be adjusted from the user profile section. Here the user can see for the particular device its network connectivity, its GPS strength, the remaining battery percentage for the internal battery and stuff. Various peripherals can be integrated and tested with the device, like motor, display, camera, etc. One can select and integrate these parameters according to their application and requirement. In the case of motors, a wide variety of motors are compatible with X1, such as BLDC, PMSM, IPMSM in the form of hub drive or mid drive, up to a power rated of 10 kilowatts. The user can enter the parameters from the motor datasheet, and the software will work out the best commutation and algorithms for the specified motor. The configuration of the motor controller is dependent on the software, but still in the market, we have different sets of motor controllers for different motors. But with the software-defined architecture, X1 can provide different software configurations keeping the same hardware. X1 has different wire harness sets coming out of it, so making the right connection while integrating the motor is crucial. So the instruction cards are there to guide the user with the right connection. The user can also download it as a manual and save it for its later use. With onboard sensors, parameters like location, orientation, voltage, current can be analyzed and monitored. The torque, load, efficiency, current waveform can thus be induced. All these sensors consolidated in a single device for the first time unlocks new capabilities and reduces wiring complexity for the OEM. The user can log the data and also export for further analysis. There are certain features that require control from the app itself, particularly for fleet operators. They can use features like geofencing to restrict the geography of the vehicle. Immobilize the vehicle in case of mishandling or non-payment of the dues. And do remote diagnostics of the vehicle. In the absence of such features, there is always a risk of theft or tampering. In settings, the device can be authenticated again whenever required. The software for the device can be updated to the latest version, just like in your smartphones. Unique capabilities can be built for OEMs and pushed via OTA, which they can then license to other OEMs for additional revenue via software. The algorithms will be open to the developer community to optimize and work on, simply by enabling developer mode. This way, the innovation is not limited to Mazout only, allowing for faster development and refinement of the technology. If users face any problem, they can simply go to the report problems and feedback section, where they can type in their query and raise a ticket. which they can follow up in the app itself. Users can then sign out and their credentials will be saved for the login next time. The web version with interactive dashboard is coming soon for seamless monitoring and control of the vehicles deployed with X1. If you are a vehicle manufacturer or looking to set up your own vehicle manufacturing, sign up to the link in the description and let's roll out smarter EVs faster.